I don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I wanted to try anyway.
Yeah, I'll get there. I would just need at least 4 more hours.
Oh, come on.
Oh my god, look at it.
See this? It's a Rubik's Cube.
Wow.
And today I just thought it would be a fun idea to go around and try to see if people can solve this, because it can get pretty tricky. And if they can solve it, I'm gonna pay them.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to solve it. If you can solve it in 3 minutes, I'm gonna give you this student store gift card.
I know I won't be able to do it.
I cannot solve Rubik's Cubes.
And I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to solve it. And if you can solve it in 3 minutes, I'll give you the student store gift card. And we're gonna give you 3 minutes to solve it.
Oh.
Okay, there's just no way that's gonna happen. There's no way.
I have no idea how to solve that.
No one has
Do you
so
want me
far.
to just play with it for 3 minutes?
That's
I
what
can do
everyone's
that.
been doing.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Alright. Why not? I'm not very good at it, but
I used to actually know how. I literally back in the day.
I can twist it around for a minute, but I don't know any of the algorithms or whatever.
Which one of you do you think would be better at it?
I think Anna. I'm not gonna be able to solve it. It's just gonna be a fail. Like solve it right now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do here.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, go.
I wanna watch you fail and cry.
I don't fail and
You're gonna cry like a little baby. You know
Tell me what to do.
I'm not. I'm just, predicting the future.
All right.
Okay.
Just don't cry.
3, 2, 1.
It's going well for me.
I've met some people that are just ridiculous at it.
I bet you made it super easy, and now I'm just messing it up.
Already going terrible. H. H, dude.
See how stupid everyone actually is.
You definitely didn't come to the right place though.
Which side are you gonna solve, huh?
I'm gonna start with white.
You're gonna start with white, okay.
Go in, go.
My brother used to be really good at it.
Just spell out your name.
I can't! How would I get the L or the A? That's just H.
Is that the move? Should I just start randomly spinning it?
I'm gonna be happy if I can get one side.
What if I make a letter on each side? T, I've done that before.
Do you remember AIG back in elementary school? Do you remember that? Oh, well we had a whole unit on this. On the Rubik's Cube? Yes, on the Rubik's Cube and how to solve it. And there was competition and everything.
There's an algorithm for this, I just don't know it.
What? What did they do?
You have a minute for a game.
Okay, gotcha.
I'm not sure why you attempted this without knowing how to solve Rubik.
Of course I don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I wanted to try anyway.
I think I've lost all progress.
Oh, that looks kind of cool though. It's not about, it's as long as it looks pretty, it's a nice design.
You got 30 seconds left.
Can I just turn this in? That's my final piece.
That was pretty nice.
It's flying circles.
1 minute?
Yeah.
I am nowhere near.
15 seconds.
Oh no, I think I can do it.
10,
Can I just give up?
9.
You ever see a challenge and say no? Of course you do. You're a baby.
You're a true man.
I am superior in every way to you. Yeah, but you're already messing up. Ha.
No, he's getting it.
Oh.
45 seconds.
The orange. Oh my god, look at it.
Yeah, I'll get there. I would just need at least 4 more hours. Minimum.
15 seconds left.
Consolation prize?
No consolation prize.
4, 3. I've never seen someone solve one side before.
I watched that timer. You
remember
better
last
call
time
him
I
out when
solved this way.
call him out when he runs out, so it can ruin his ego.
Please do.
Give it up.
Yeah, good try.
Yeah, thank you.
Can't help you, sorry.
Good try though.
I appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
That's the best I can do. 3, 2, 1. Good job.
Good try.
Have people gotten it?
No one has yet.
I think I know what I'm doing. Oh, come on.
Sure, no, I think I'm.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Idiot.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's my best effort.
Almost.
I appreciate it. It was fun.
Whatever. He gave me like the algorithm for it, and I was just like,
And then 15.
Oh!
Here you go. Here's your gift card.
What is this?
Oh,
gift card.
Yeah. Thank you. Congrats, man. That was amazing. You want to give your name for the video or something?
Oh, sure. Jackie.
Jackie.
Follow me on Instagram.
Like, follow. Here's my channel. It's Spot.
Thanks for watching until the very end of this video. I just wanted to go ahead and thank Kayla Dang for helping me record this video. I have her channel right here in the end card if you want to go check it out. And be sure to check out some other videos on the channel. And I will see you in the next video.